How to download Aviator Predictor on iOS. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to download the Aviator Predictor app on your iOS device. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, locate the App Store icon on your home screen and tap to open it. Tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Type Aviator Predictor into the search bar and hit search on your keyboard. Look for the app in the search results. In my device, the app is not available due to the region. So if the app is not available on your search engine also, then go to the home screen. Here, open any browser. Go to the official website of the app. Once in the website, tap Download. If the app is available on your App Store or Play Store, then verify the app's details, such as its developer and reviews, to ensure it's the correct one. Once confirmed, tap the Get or Download button next to the app. Authenticate the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. The app will begin downloading. Only download apps from trusted sources to protect your device from malware or security risks. And there you have it. That's how you can download the Aviator Predictor app on your iOS device. If this video was helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.